in this course, what we're doing is an introduction to how you defend a cleaning process in a practical sense, how you have a process that's sort of bulletproof. And it's basically capture it, write it down, show it.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
And stay current.
And stay current.
Well, my point is you don't aim just for the bar. You know.
Oh, no, and I agree with that.
Yeah.
And that's the number one problem, I think, if somebody says, well, this is the standard I've got. It's been dictated to me to meet this standard. These are my targets. No, that's not your target. No. And like I tell my students, if you need a C to move on in the degree plan, you don't aim for a C.
You don't aim for a C.
You aim for an A, and you may make a C. But if you aim for a C and you screw up once, you fail.
That's true. And I was going to go even a little farther beyond that. And we should be talking to that. So the customer wants an A+ in particles. But if you have coatings involved, you also want to get an A+ in a course that the customer isn't even teaching.
Yeah.
Adhesion.
Maybe adhesion.
Yeah.
Teach, if you're after a certain customer, we have to find out what the customer wants.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's what we called in the Black Belt or Six Sigma Black Belt training was quality function deployment. It was like, what does our customer define as quality? You know, and what functions do we have in our organization to connect our product to their definition of quality. And that was the thing that drove our processes. And so then everything you knew why you were making the changes you were making, because that was leading to value in your customer's eyes. That quality function deployment, I can talk a little bit about that.
Yeah, that's good.
What you've just seen is a trailer for our latest webinar video. To see the full video and to download the notes, check the link in the description below. And like always, like this video and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we post a new trailer. Thanks and have a nice day. Come on, work with me.
Come on.
Come on, little son.
There we go.
What are we going to talk about next week, Darren? I don't know.
Well, we need to nail it down.
We certainly